municipality of Libungan, North Cotabato. It has a history rooted in its early Manobo settlers and the Libungan River. The name Libungan was known as Dadas and Limbungan, reflecting the Libungan River and its impact on the land and people. This is the Barangay Sinapangan, Libungan, North Cotabato. It's known for its agricultural focus, particularly rice and corn production. This is the school in Barangay Sinapangan, Libungan, North Cotabato. Its name is Timoy Agwang B. Kampong Integrated School. The students who study here are mostly Manobos and Christians. I studied here from preschool until I graduated grade 6. This is the Mount Agar located in Sinapangan, Libungan, North Cotabato. It is a popular destination known for its stunning highland beauty, scenic views, and chance to experience the unique Sea of Clouds.
Sa lupa'y para akong inaalon, nalulunod sa batikos ng mundo, sa kung ano lamang kaya ko. Bigang-biga na sa mga problemang di masolusyonan agad, parang wala nang bukas.
This is the Sinapangan Waterfalls, a great place to relax and unwind. Sinapangan Waterfalls is part of the Agar-Agar watershed area.
Sarili ngunit di nakakayanan sa ikaw na dinadaanan ko. Saan na to patungo? Saan ako patungo?